Vision Exports is a Delhi-based firm engaging in manufacturing and export of high-quality bags, duffels, wallets and folders. These products are hugely popular for both personal use and retailing, as well as for corporate gifting and commercial purposes, given their uniform look and finish and superior craftsmanship. Our diverse clientele comes from all parts of Europe, Australia, New Zealand, USA, as well as from within India. Variety in designing, impeccable quality, as well as assurance of genuineness has helped us gain and retain clients over the years, as well as become market leaders in the industry and service customized order as per client specifications. Our team of 50 professionals includes craftsmen, creative designers, leather experts, quality control experts, and skilled labor, and they ensure stringent quality control, contemporary, fashion-forward designing, and prompt delivery even on bulk orders so that we are always in top form whether it comes to innovation or performance.